Hello, this is Petru and you are watching WellCode, and we're making this video for those of you who are in college or in school or attending any kind of formal education. When I was in school, I was studying boring subjects like math, Romanian or other things which I can't remember right now, but then something very interesting happened when I was in the 5th grade. I've just heard from some older friends that in the 6th grade we were going to study physics, and I was already imagining myself doing experiments, making the classroom explode and learning very interesting things. And when I started the 6th grade, I was very happy. It was the first subject which required large notebooks. We used to have the smaller ones, but when we started, it wasn't actually about experiments. It was only about applying formulas, solving problems, and writing lots and lots of calculations on that big notebook. Probably that was the reason why the notebook was so big. And then I've heard that we're gonna study chemistry in the next year. And again, I was very excited. There wasn't a week when I wasn't thinking about studying chemistry and doing experiments with substances and mixing them together. And the same thing happened. We were just sitting in a classroom. We did some experiments, so it was a bit more interesting, but it was still the same thing, still the same boring subject where you just need to memorize some formulas and then apply them using pen and paper. Since we started WellCode, there were a lot of people who were just asking us, oh, where should I go to school? Where should I go to college? They were missing the point. The thing is that they were expecting for the school to teach them all the interesting subjects, all the useful stuff, and you can see that in a lot of Facebook groups. There are a lot of people who ask, oh, which is the best programming language? And we did a video just about that, and I'll put a link somewhere around here. Imagine Mark Zuckerberg when he was in college, when he wanted to start Facebook. He could say, oh, I need to wait for the distributed systems master so that I can build a social network which scaled to 1 billion people. That would be absurd. He couldn't wait until going to masters, or he couldn't wait to just studying PHP in college. So he needed to start right away, and he probably studied on his own. And this is the message I want to transmit to you. The education is not the responsibility of the school, it's not the responsibility of any college, of any teacher, it's not the responsibility of us, of WellCode, or of any coding platform. The only one who's responsible for education is you. So don't wait for you to just start a web development course in college or to learn computer science in high school or in school. Don't wait for those kind of classes. A lot of time you'll discover that the teacher is not that well prepared, or even if he's well prepared, it's better for you to just start learning right away. Let's imagine that you start learning on your own. You start learning web development on your own. You already know how to build websites, how to build complicated web apps. And when the class starts, if your teacher is very good, you'll be able to talk about more advanced stuff. You'll be able to learn a lot more from him because the basics are basics. They are easy. You can learn them on your own. And if you already know them, you can learn the more advanced stuff from your teacher who's better than just teaching the basics. So whenever you're in doubt and you're wondering, oh, should I just wait for college to teach me web development or databases or mobile development? Don't do that. Don't wait for the course to start. Start learning on your own. Or even when you are enrolled in a paid course which begins 1 month from now, don't wait for that course to start. Just start coding, start your computer, search for some tutorials, or go on WellCode and just start learning. Second and the last point of today's video is one thing that you need to keep in your mind at all time. If you are doing the thing which everyone does, let's say you go into college, you just study things like everyone else is studying them, you won't become very successful because the vast majority of people who attend college, they don't work for Google or they don't work for any successful company. And if you're looking around you, the vast majority of people are not doing anything related to success, or they don't do a lot of things which are connected to success. So in order to become successful, in order to become a very good programmer, you have to do unusual things like work more or work in some kind of technology which is more difficult. It's funny because I'm saying that those are unusual things, but those should be the normal things for you to do if you want to become a successful software engineer. So until next time, don't forget to take charge of your education. Don't wait for anyone to teach you, because it's not their duty to teach you, it's just their duty to teach some kind of subjects at the medium level. So if you want to become a very good programmer, you have to learn it on your own. And also don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel. This way you're helping our channel grow, and indirectly we'll have more talented software engineers. And I think everyone loves programs who don't crash and phones which run smoothly and which don't get zero battery after 5 minutes of usage. And until next time, I wish you'll become a very talented programmer who earns a lot of money and who's very happy.